Last week we had this great out of the blue park cafe here, and they were so friendly and kindly to us. They made us couscous, they made us several dishes, breakfast. Of course we paid, but they just did. And that was amazing. And nearby was the sheep market, because the Arabic people, they have this really big festival coming up, which is actually today, the day of filming. It's the 29th of June. That means the place now is empty. Last night, like tiny little ants, everything is now here. That was the cafe. And the sheep market is gone. But now guys, look what's been left. It's unbelievable. And this is what we've been seeing for half a year traveling through Morocco right now. Everywhere is plastic. And we were wondering so often, how is it happening that big fields of plastic are just there? Now we know. The Moroccans, they do their markets, they do shops out of the blue, they're serving other people, cooking for other people. It's very good, but then they just leave it like that. When we were here in March, this was all green and clean. Okay, now it's not green any longer because of the summer. Okay, that's fine. Summer is okay. But now, guys, this is unbelievable. They, okay, I'll show you later where they cook the fish, but here are the rest of the fish. It's very smelly. Lucky you cannot smell it. Look at this. What? I have no words for this. Okay, being a German means recycling is very, very, very important to us. We recycle like everything, but this is just, I don't know what to say. This is the place where they did the fish, and the fish was so good. They did it so well. Look at this, a suitcase out of the blue. We feel angry because the point is, I love the friendliness, I love the mentality of the Moroccans very much, but I really don't like that they have no idea of how bad it is to leave the world like that. It's summer, it's pretty hot, it's 38 degrees today, and even though I'm not happy to do this, we will clean up this place. Watch till the end how far we come. Hopefully at the end of the video all of this area is plastic free.
It's gonna be fun and informative. Informative.
Hey, das ist doch ganz einfach. Wir nehmen den großen Karton und schmeißen erstmal alle Flaschen in den Karton und allen Müll. Dann können wir den Karton mit einem Mal in die Tonne werfen. Los geht's! Hier den Karton in die Mitte. Dann geht es ganz schnell. Ja, es stinkt. Hier los.
dazu.
Okay, it looks a little better here. The cooking area is almost clean. I don't know, maybe we can take this away. Hier.
Jetzt stehen noch Steine drunter.
Ja.
Nur alles total verdreckt.
Much better. It was very, very nasty, very, very stinky, very stinky. Do you want to lift the stones? Plastic, yeah. More plastic. Yes, do it. Okay. Plastic. This is what we are always experiencing in Morocco. They are building something great, but then because of the plastic and because of throwing things just away, it gets nasty. Thousands of people are coming every day to this water point. The water is good, but over the time, and we've been here 3 times, right? We've been here in November last year, in March this year, and now in June. And it gets nastier and dirtier every time. So Danny was just opening this hole right now, and then he's cleaning it more because, as you can see, the water cannot go down.
Yes.
So you're doing a good job, man. Keep on cleaning. Keep on cleaning.
I don't know how long it's working, but I like it.
Yeah.
Clean. Maybe it's better afterwards.
Okay, now here we have our super van. Because of the heat, we opened the back door so the air gets in. Cleaning up, everybody, let's clean up. So this is how we ended the first day. Here in the front, looking very, very good. This is our first day of cleaning. See you tomorrow.
VIVIFY, wear your own style.
VIVIFY, handmade, fairtrade, unique.
This morning, a guy was honking. And we were like, oh, we want to sleep, please let us sleep. And then he was knocking at our van. And then Danny went down, putting on some clothes. And then, look at this. He just gave us...
Celebrating.
This is like meat. And look what Danny is doing in a waffle maker. Awesome!
You want to try?
Lecker?
Scharf.
And while the kids are enjoying the morning, we are doing the breakfast with real waffles and meat mini waffles. Oh, careful, Caddy, it's hotty. Nochmal probieren?
Yes.
Try it. Mit Wasser. With water.
If you think it's too hot, try again. Keep on eating, keep on eating.
Ein Pappkarton. 9 bis 2, dann macht sie Spaß, die Bastelei. Und ich brauche noch eine Schere.
Time for coffee.
Ein Holzbein klein.
Good morning! What a surprise! We went out of the van to see what work we can do today. And then we saw this. Can you see it? Is it?
Guck mal, hier ist jetzt alles sauber.
Okay, so this is what we did yesterday. Das haben wir alles gemacht. Das haben die nicht gemacht. Ja, Manu, this is what we did yesterday. Everything is so clean and it was so dirty and full of plastic. But now, can you see? Here, people are cleaning. We didn't see that in Morocco. Never, ever. I suppose they would just clean the market space, which was the sheep market. But this feels actually very good, so we are hyped for the second day to clean and to help this place being pretty again. This is what Daniel cleaned yesterday and looks so nice now. But look at this. This is Morocco. Just one day later, plastic again. It's in the water and it's poisoning the water for years. Komm, ich zeig dir mal was Krasses. Komm mit Fuß an. Guck dir das an. Ein Tisch. Hier, guck da. Sieh das? Schwenk ja nach unten. Ein Tisch im Gebüsch. So, tritt zurück.
Ein Tisch. Ein halber Tisch. Einfach ein halber Tisch.
Just thrown away.
Wow. Schafshaut. Schafhaut.
Finally! They pick up the garbage. Everything we collected.
Die machen alles da rein.
Ja, zum Glück, ne?
Die sammeln den Müll auch an.
Ja.
Lassen den dann rein.
I'm very happy to see that this place has actually been cleaned by the Moroccans themselves. Anyway, it was fun and challenging too, and quite experiencing. So, thanks for watching us cleaning a tiny little part of Morocco. See you next time!